Hey, Nigerian YouTubers, are you feeling lost or unsure on how to build a successful YouTube channel in Nigeria? Do you have questions like, how do I create a YouTube channel in Nigeria? Or what are the requirements for monetizing YouTube channel in Nigeria? Or even, how do I increase YouTube views and engagement in Nigeria? Well, you are in the right place. I'm going to answer all these questions and more right in this video. Are you new to my channel? You want to grow on your social media, you want to grow here in YouTube, you want to grow in TikTok, you want to grow in Facebook, in Instagram, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any question or there is a contribution you want to make, or there is a doubt in your heart, comment in the comment section. Whatever question you have, I will answer you. Okay? The comment section is open. Let's dive right into the video. I will show you step-by-step blueprints how you can start your YouTube channel and grow it here in Nigeria and in Africa. We are going to dive deep into the world of YouTube and show you step-by-step blueprint for building a 6-figure YouTube empire in Nigeria in this 2024 and beyond. Okay, whether you are a beginner or an experienced creator, video is for you. So let's get started. Take your YouTube channel to the next level. Before we dive in, let me ask you these questions. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to building 6-figure YouTube empire in Nigeria, in Africa? Are you ready? In this 2024 and beyond, are you ready to learn how to create an evergreen content that your audience will love, and how to monetize your video to bring you constant income on a daily basis? If so, then you are in the right place, because in this video we are going to share the exact strategy and tricks that have helped other Nigerian YouTubers to achieve success and earn thousands of dollars in YouTube and grow their channels up to 100,000 subscribers. Now YouTube have become their full-time job. Most people you see on YouTube do not do any other thing. They cannot work for you for 100K, even 1 million. People that knows YouTube well, they cannot work for you for 1 million naira, because they can earn that in 1 week. So if you are ready to take your YouTube channel to the next level, then let's get started, because in this video it's going to change a lot of things for you for good. Creating a YouTube channel in Nigeria, we are going to follow these steps. Step 1, you need a Google account. If you don't have, create one. Go to Google and create an account, because that's what we're going to use to manage your YouTube channel. Next thing is for you to choose a username. If you don't know a name you can use, you can go to ChatGPT, ask ChatGPT, I want to do this, in YouTube. I want to do a cooking niche in YouTube, or whatever niche you want to do. You tell ChatGPT, you say, give me 10 varieties of names you can use. ChatGPT will give you names, and from that 10, you choose one you love. Then get a profile picture. You can go use any AI, edit that picture to be beautiful and nice. Okay, let there be emotions in that picture. Okay, snap a nice, sharp, emotion filled picture. Use it for your profile picture. Then create your bio. Create a beautiful bio. Your bio is talking about what you want to do, your niche, what people you want to them to subscribe to your channel. What would they achieve if they are subscribed to your channel? Your bio help your audience to know you a bit. You explain yourself, what you want to do. Your bio help your audience to know you a bit. So you explain yourself, your niche in your bio a little bit. Then you customize your channel. You put your banner, you create your banner. I will make a video on how to create banner in YouTube. You sharp, simple banner. You go to Canva and create banner. Okay, then you add a background image. That background image makes your YouTube channel to stand out. Another one is by selling products. You can sell t-shirts on YouTube. Yes, sell t-shirts on YouTube. You can sell any other thing you want to sell and make money. And cap, you can sell anything you feel like. You can even sell your own digital products to your audience and they will buy. You make money. So building a 6-figure YouTube empire in Nigeria in 2024 requires, number 1, dedication. Number 2, consistency. Number 3, the right strategies is very important. Right strategies is very, very important. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can create a successful YouTube channel that will bring in constant income to you before this year runs out. Remember to always focus on creating high quality content that resonates with your audience, and also promote your channel effectively using social media and collaborations. With persistence and hard work, you will join the rank of most successful YouTubers in Nigeria in 2020, and you will achieve your goal. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in my next video. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment on the comment section any challenge you are having, or is there any other thing you need for me to explain to you. The comment section is always free. Comment on the comment section. I will attend to you. Peace out.